YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I decided to finally show you guys my temporary apartment. So this is kind of like it's an apartment vlog. I'll be showing you guys the process of me moving out of my house, moving in, all the specs and details of how I ended up in this position. So if you're interested in this video, please be sure to keep watching, and yeah. Why do we still have Christmas decorations? This is pretty much all that I'm taking. I have one more thing like this upstairs that I need to go grab, but I have my clothes, more clothes, and my ring light, my computer. I'm gonna try to take these two bar stools. Alright, you guys, so right now I am actually at my sister's house. I came here to pick up the keys. This is actually my first time visiting the house. I decided to give myself a little tour along with the help with my nephew, and all I can say is I'm just so proud. She's 23, she's really doing it. This place looks really nice, and I'm just so proud. So that's all I have to say here. Aiden, I'm going to your clothes.
I'm eating my diaper because I'm gonna just go pee.
You got a pee?
Yeah.
Did you already pee?
No.
Alright, you gonna go pee now?
Yeah.
Let me show you guys the key. So this is the key to the actual apartment. So that's that. And this is the key for the elevator, to get inside, parking, and all that stuff. I was like, this is the key? Alright, you guys, so welcome to my apartment. So this is what you're gonna see when you first walk in. This is where I do some of my work and my editing at, and then as you get over here, this is the common living space, you know, just the regular stuff: TV, couch, coffee table, you know, shoe rack that they left over here. And then I have my laundry and some more little trinkets around. This is just showing you guys a full 360 of the apartment, pretty much when you first walk in. This is where I keep some of my inventory for May. And then I have my TV, couch, blankets, just because I love to be cozy. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I just kept it really simple. This does come with a washer and dryer, so that's convenient. And this is just another angle of my full apartment. As you get over here, this is the bedroom space. Don't mind the bed, okay? Like I said, this is very temporary and it just works for me for right now. Decent sized bedroom space. Really just have 2 mirrors and some work stuff. This is the bathroom. Love it. Love the double sinks. Love the space of it. And then there's a closet as well. So I'm just showing you guys one last recap of my apartment before I head out and decide to show you guys the rooftop. But yeah, it all just flows together. I like to keep all the doors open, very airy and just open. So yeah, let's go ahead and head to the rooftop. Okay, so up here is definitely a type of vibe. I do like this space. I feel like you can entertain here very well. I can also create a lot of content with different backdrops and, you know, just a different scenery for you guys up here as well. So let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see from me up here in this space while I am here. But love this outdoor space. The weather was actually really nice. It's starting to get really nice, so I'll definitely be outside. Okay. Now I'm just showing you guys a different area of the rooftop. It's so spacious, so huge. I mean, this rooftop is huge. You have bonfires. It's a lot of different seating areas as well, which is something that I really like because you can have a lot of people on the rooftop, but you don't necessarily have to be around a lot of people. So yes, lots of different seating areas. Love the hammock. It's very relaxing out here. Actually, I love the green grass. I just really like this space. Up here on this side, they also have 2 TVs back to back, so you can have 2 different parties watching TV, I guess. They have grills out here, more games to play. Very convenient for everybody, and they also have a dog park for people who have pets and dogs. Let them run around and get some fresh air, which is also very nice. So yeah, very big rooftop. Love this space. Love coming out here. Just love. Okay, so here is a background of the reason why I moved out. So my sister has a son. She has a 3-year-old nephew. Her boyfriend has a big dog, and now they're about to welcome in their second child. So this current place was too small for all of them. This is a 1-bedroom apartment located in Buckhead, Atlanta, and it's just not practical for a family. So they decided to go ahead and purchase a house. However, the lease here did not end until like second week of April or something along those lines. So what he was going to do was actually pay the mortgage there and pay rent here and just do that for the last month. But I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and take over the lease. I have no problem with taking over the lease. Pause, scratch that. I did have a problem with taking over the lease because I just didn't see the point in putting in $1,500 into this 1-bedroom apartment, knowing that I was only going to be here for 1 month, knowing like it's just not worth it. That's literally money going down the drain. So we came up with the price, and I decided that that price was more feasible due to the fact that, number one, I was going to be paying rent at home anyways. Yes, I pay rent with my parents when I'm home. So I was going to be paying rent at home anyways, number one. Number two, I wanted a place to enjoy my birthday. So I was going to get an Airbnb somewhere in Atlanta, but this had the perfect rooftop, and I just saw a vision for my birthday. But with this whole whatever going on, I just don't know. So we moved. One thing that I was hoping to come to terms with while moving here was deciding whether or not I wanted to move into an apartment or actually get a house. That has been something that has been on the forefront of my mind. That's what I want to do, and at this point I still have no idea what I really want to do. I feel like a house is great for space. An apartment is perfect for all the amenities that come with the apartment. So I don't know, like if I had to base it off of just me staying here, paying $1,500 for just this space versus paying $1,200 for a house with more space, bigger things, you know, just everything better, then I would go for a house. However, this rooftop is just so nice. It's such a great entertainment space. But then again, at my house, I can make my backyard a really nice backyard as well. So I don't know, I'm still stuck. But yeah, so that is pretty much that. I don't know if I'm gonna be going home a little bit earlier just because things have not been falling in place. What I'm talking about is with this quarantine, whatever's going on, the closer we're getting to April, the more restricted I have to do things. Like I can't go out to eat for my birthday. I can't really have a gathering more than 10 people. I can't, you know, it's just a lot of restrictions. So I do not know. That's another talk for another day. But yes, this apartment is very, very temporary. It is very temporary. I did not like decorate it the way that I would decorate my own place. I did make it work. I made it comfortable for me to just wake up and be comfortable, feel productive every day. So that's been the goal, is while I'm in this space, I want to be very, very productive. Like I don't want to sleep. I don't want to do nothing but be productive. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this apartment. I do like it. I think it is such a cute size for, not cute, but I think it is a really, really good size to stay by yourself and just, you know, everything is so intertwined together. I actually really, really do like it here. I just wish I had my bed. I wish I had a real bed. I think that's the only thing that I don't like. Also, oh my gosh, I almost forgot to mention, you guys, I don't know why, but in the middle of the night, it is so much noise going on. I think it's just the location I'm in. It's just surrounded by a lot of noise. So I have no idea, but in the middle of the night, I just hear people like fighting outside. Or I'll hear cars, I'll hear trucks backing up, that beep, 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 just backing up in the middle of the night. Like I have no idea what. But anyways, I do really, really like this place. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these apartment videos, if you like seeing decorating videos, apartment tours, house tours, looking into just houses in general, please let me know, because I love that type of content and I would love to share more of that content with you guys. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.